Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing my mini twist. Finally, it has been 8 days since I blow dried my hair. Okay, yes, I was being lazy, but we are back on it. Today is the day we are installing our mini twist. Now, before we get started, I'm going to show you guys the products really quick. As you know, I'll be going in with the aloe vera juice. I do not like as I mentioned in my other video, I don't like doing mini twists on blow dry hair. I think doing it on wet hair makes my hair look a lot fuller. I just don't like the way my hair looks personally with blow dry mini twists. It's not for me. So we'll be going in with our aloe vera juice to hydrate and kind of clean a little bit because I did add a heat protectant and I don't want that to be like a barrier over the moisture that I'm going to be putting in my hair today. I do want to add that I did put this in my hair on the day that I blow dried it after, and then I flat twist it down, and then this is why it's looking like it's looking now, because after I did the flat twist out, I let it be in a scarf, and I'll wear it out to work I think one day. But anyways, that's why it's looking the way it's looking. So we have here the Burdock root buttercream with olive oil, nettle leaf, and oak straw, and it's supposed to soften and moisturize thin and moderately dry hair. So I have used this first 2 times I installed my mini twist, and I like it. I'd say it does pretty well with moisture, but of course if you want something heavier, something thicker, because it is on the lighter side, definitely use what works for you. I'll be going in with this castor oil to seal in my ends. I do need to get some more castor oil because this is almost gone. I use it for other reasons as well. Yeah, I need some more.
And I'll also be using this Botanical gel by Uncle Funky's daughter to go on the ends of my hair to create a gel cast to add an extra layer of protection.
Now, what I'm gonna do, I got my handy dandy comb. Now let me tell y'all something. The parts are not gonna be they're not gonna be perfect. I don't really wear my hair out, my mini twist out, so I'm not too particular about the parts, but the sections is what I focus on making straight and neat for the most part, just to kind of keep me organized. It is 2 o'clock. We're about to get started because I'm not trying to be all night, I'm not trying to be all day, I'm not one of them girlies. And another thing, are we finna do these? So let me do the sections and we'll come back. Let me get my sections in, get them parted, get our handy dandy clips in, get them sectioned off, and I'll be back, y'all. I'm just gonna loop it one time. So I have a section here, so 3 sections in the front. 1, 2, 3. 1 big section right here, and then 2 sections right here. I'm gonna show y'all the back. Okay, so I didn't part these 2 sections right down the middle of my head because I don't like the way it looks. Like, you know, sometimes you do twists and there's like a definite or a permanent part right in the middle, down the middle. I don't like that. So we got a part right here, 2 sections, and then a section right above it. So we can comfortable. So let's get started.
Alright guys, so we're jumping right into this. I am going in with the aloe vera juice and I am making sure to saturate this section. Okay, I want it to be dripping wet, as you can see. Now I'm going to go in and detangle my ends, or detangle my hair with my fingers. I will not be using any combs or brushes during this challenge. So I'm just taking my time. And going in with my buttercream. Like I said, this is a very light cream. So I'll be using quite a bit. I'm going to go in for some more later, but I'm just making sure the section is covered, fully coated. And here's where I start to part off the sections. This back section I'll be flat twisting because it's so short. I just find it stays better this way. The next section I am parting with my fingers. I don't care that they're not super perfect. Now we're twisting. When I get all the way to the ends, I'm going to coil it around my finger. Like so. And that is pretty much it. For the rows, I'll be using the end of a rat tail comb, but for each twist, I'll be parting it with my fingernails. So I won't be adding the botanical gel just yet to the ends of my hair. You'll see me add that once I'm done with my entire head. I didn't want to get any of the excess gel from my hands onto the next sections before I moisturize them. So that's why I'm waiting to the very end. You'll see me add the botanical gel to the ends of my hair. When it comes to the coiling of the ends, I got this tip from Indigenous Strands. It'll minimize the length of time it takes me to take down my hair because the ends of my hair are coiled. And actually, once it's all done, it actually makes for a very pretty style. Like, it looks so pretty to see the little coils on the ends of the twist. That's so pretty to me. But guys, this is pretty much it. I do want to mention that I'll probably be extending this challenge to the rest of the year. I'm super excited. This challenge does end on April 1st. So the way I'm doing it, I'm going from trim to trim. So in December, I got a trim / cut. It really was a cut to try and even out my hair because it's so uneven. So April would have made actually 3 months. So instead of being a 4-month challenge, it is technically a 3-month challenge. But I'm going, so every 3 months I'll be trimming my end. So it'll be every 3 months. I'll do a length check. I do plan on recording that process for you guys so you guys can grow with me. So enjoy the rest of the video. Leave a like down below if you like this video. And until next time, guys, don't forget to comment. Do you have any tips or tricks or advice for me? Any questions about the routine? Leave a comment down below. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Alright guys, so I'm all done with my twists. It's very moisturized, okay, and we are ready to go. I want to make it clear that I did start this challenge January 1st because my last trim was December 30th, so I started it officially in January. So we're now on month 2. But I do want to make, you know what, we'll get to that. We'll get to that. I like this, but you have to get me a different cream to alternate between. I'm gonna have to give me something that's a little bit more moisturizing than this. This is a very light cream. So I'll be leaving my mini twist in for a minimum of 2 weeks. I will be re-moisturizing my hair every 4 to 5 days. Because of how long it took me to install these twists, I'm feeling like longer than 2 weeks. Like, girl, you better, as long as it took you, yeah. That's how I'm feeling, but no less than 2 weeks. I will be washing my hair every 2 weeks on the 2-week mark and cleansing it every 2-week mark. Thank y'all so much for subscribing to me. I went on a very long hiatus and y'all still subscribe. Y'all probably just forgot y'all subscribed to me. Like, girl, I probably would have been subscribed. I was still subscribed. But I probably would have been unsubscribed. That's what I'm saying. Anyways, thank y'all for subscribing, liking, sharing the video, and just a reminder, if you ain't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe.